Hello, boys and girls. I am glad to see you. Hope you are fine and ready to our lesson. Let's practice some sounds. Repeat after me. I like coffee. I like tea. I like swimming in the sea. I like cake. I like ice cream. I like sailing on the lake. Different people like different things. Today we'll speak about free time activities. What do you like doing after school? Now, let's listen to the song What Do You Like Doing? And choose the correct variant.
Do you like riding your bike?
Yes, I do. I like riding my bike.
Do you like playing the guitar?
Yes, I do. Look, I'm a pop star.
What do you like doing? What do you like doing?
Do you like playing computer games?
No, I don't. I like riding my scooter.
Does your brother like skateboarding?
Yes, he does. He likes skateboarding. What does he like doing? What does he like doing?
Well done. Now let's check together. Do you like riding your bike? Yes, I do. I like riding my bike. Do you like playing the guitar? Yes, I do. What do you like doing? Do you like playing computer games? No, I don't. I like riding my scooter. Does your brother like skateboarding? Yes, he does. He likes skateboarding. We do different activities and it depends on the weather. What is the weather like today? Let's revise some words. What's this? Hot, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy. What is the weather like today? The weather is hot and sunny. Well done. Let's do some exercise. You have to choose the correct word. Picture number 1. What is the weather like today? It's cloudy. Picture number 2. What is the weather like today? It's snowy. Picture number 3. What is the weather like today? It's hot. Picture number 4. What is the weather like today? It's sunny. Picture number 5. Windy. Picture number 6. Cold. Well done. Now, let's revise some information. How many seasons of the year? Yes, there are 4 seasons. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now, listen and say, what season is it? It's a beautiful season. It's very cold. It's snowy and frosty. The trees and the ground are white. What season is it? Yes, it's winter. What is the weather like in winter? It's cold. It's snowing. What can you do in winter? We can ski, play snowballs, skate, sledge, make a snowman. Well done. Now, let's listen. It's a beautiful season. The grass and the trees are green. It's warm. What season is it? Yes, it's spring. What is the weather like in spring? It's sunny and warm. What can you do in spring? Play football, fly a kite, plant flowers, ride a bike, go camping. Well done. What season is it? It's hot. There are a lot of flowers. What season is it? Yes, it's summer. What is the weather like in summer? It's hot. It's sunny. It's warm. What can you do in summer? We can sunbathe, go swimming, go fishing, build sandcastles, gather strawberries. Well done. Now look at the picture. Whom can you see? Yes, we can see 2 children. What are they doing? They are talking about summer holidays. Now listen to them and complete the notes.
I'm so pleased we're going to finish school next week. I love the summer holidays.
Do you? I don't really enjoy them that much.
Oh? Why not?
They're really long and I get lonely. I miss my friends.
But you can still see them all. Do you go to the sports club or meet your friends in town?
Not usually. I have to look after my little brother Jake because my mum and dad work.
You could take him to the sports club too. How old is he?
He's 6, but we live a long way from the club.
Oh, so what do you do?
Well, we play at home, watch TV, play in the village park.
So where do you live?
We live in Greenfields, the most boring village in the world.
Really? My grandma lives there. She moved there recently. I'm going to go and stay with her so I could see you.
That'd be great.
And my grandma loves children.
Brilliant.
Well done. Let's check together. Number 1, friends. Number 2, little brother. Number 3, 6. Number 4, park. Number 5, boring. Number 6, grandma. Well done. Look at the picture. Listen and guess. What season is it? It's a beautiful season. The trees are red, yellow, green, and brown. It isn't cold. It often rains. What season is it? Yes, it's autumn. What is the weather like in autumn? It's raining. What can you do in autumn? We can gather mushrooms, gather vegetables, gather yellow leaves, gather fruit, go for a walk. Well done. Now, what can you do in different seasons? Look and make up sentences. What can you do in winter? I can play snowballs in winter. What can you do in spring? I can ride a bike in spring. What can you do in summer? I can swim in summer. What can you do in autumn? I can fly a kite in autumn. Well done. Now let's watch a video about outdoor activities.
What about outdoor activities? I can see you enjoy jogging.
Yes, jogging and baseball. I joined a baseball club, and I go there twice a week.
I can see you really are into sports, David.
Yeah, I am a very active person. What about you? Haven't you joined any club?
I have joined the chess club. It's a great way to have some fun, make new friends, and keep my mind sharp.
How often do you go to the chess club?
I go once a week, on Saturdays.
I have joined a horse club. It has been an amazing experience so far. I have always loved horses, since I was a child, and it was my dream to be able to ride a horse. I learned how to take care of the horses. They are so beautiful and strong. Horses bring me so much joy.
Well done. Different children like different things. І сьогодні ми з вами поговоримо про інгову форму. Після дієслова go наступне дієслово вживається з інговим закінченням для позначення фізичної діяльності. For example, go boating, go sailing, go swimming, go camping, go fishing, go skating. Отже, для того, щоб сказати, що ми чимось займаємось, потрібно використовувати дієслово go і вид діяльності із закінченням ing. Look at the picture. Whom can you see in this picture? Yes, we can see 2 men. What do they like doing? They like skiing. What is their favorite sport? Skiing is their favorite sport. Now, let's match the words with the pictures. Go boating. Go sailing, go swimming, go fishing, go skating. Отже, після дієслова go наступне дієслово вживається з інговим закінченням для позначення фізичної діяльності. Let's revise some words. What kind of outdoor activities do you know? Listen and repeat.
He likes tobogganing. Ice skating. surfing, skateboarding, rock climbing, cycling, fishing.
Well done. Now look at the picture. How many pictures can you see? Yes, we can see 4 pictures with different activities. Cycling, surfing, swimming, ice skating, climbing. Now let's listen to the dialogue and write the children's names.
Kelly and Jack sent us some more photos yesterday.
There's a funny photo of Oscar on a toboggan.
He's the funniest cat in the world. He likes tobogganing.
I like tobogganing too. It's fun. I love winter sports. I like skiing and ice skating too.
You're good at ice skating, Beth.
Thank you.
I like going to the beach. I enjoy swimming and surfing.
You like skateboarding and rollerblading too.
True.
I like climbing. I'm happy when I'm climbing trees.
Do you like rock climbing too, Harry?
Yes, I do. But it's difficult. What about you, Kit?
I like cycling and fishing. Last weekend I went to the mountains with my dad. We went cycling in the morning and fishing in the afternoon. I caught a bicycle wheel. I'm not very good at fishing.
Good, well done. Who likes cycling? Kit. Who likes swimming and surfing? Mel. Who likes climbing? Harry. Who likes ice skating? Beth. Well done. Now let's do some exercise. You have to find and circle 6 activities. We have got the example. Cycling. Next. Fishing. Rock climbing. Skateboarding. Surfing. Ice skating. Well done. Let's do exercise 2. You have to write the words in exercise 1. Number 1, skateboarding. Surfing. Number 3, cycling. Number 4, ice skating. Number 5, rock climbing. Number 6, fishing. Well done. Now, let's listen and take the correct answer.
1. When does David go to the swimming pool?
Do you do any sports, David?
Yes, I do. I play volleyball with my friends on Wednesdays.
That's good.
I also go swimming with my dad. We usually go to the sports centre swimming pool at the weekend because he works late during the week. Oh, I have a karate class on Mondays as well.
2. What is the girl bad at doing?
I love playing computer games. Do you?
I like playing computer games, yeah.
I'm very good at skating too.
Oh no, I'm really bad at it. I always fall down. I'm good at riding a bike though. I'm very fast.
3. What does the man do every day at 6 o'clock?
Can you pick up the boys from their French class tonight?
What time?
Their lesson finishes at 5:45.
But I always walk the dog at 5:30, and then I watch the news on TV at 6 o'clock.
Well, walk the dog at 8:30 and watch the 9 o'clock news today.
4. What is Katie doing?
Sorry I'm late. Where is everybody? Nadia is making the sandwiches and Tom is at the supermarket. What about Katie? She's choosing CDs for the party. No, wait. She's helping Tom with the shopping. The CDs are ready.
5. What does the boy do on Saturdays?
I'm bored.
Let's go to the cinema.
I don't like the films this week.
Go out with your friends then. You always go out with them on Saturdays.
They want to go to the cinema.
OK, help me with the garden then. Come on, get up. Hey, where are you going?
To the cinema with my friends.
Well done. Let's check together. What is the correct answer? Number 1, B. Number 2, C. Number 3, A. Number 4, A. Number 5, B. Well done, children. Today we spoke about outdoor activities. I hope you will remember them. The lesson is over. Goodbye.